This is Ariel and her sisters. They don't come in the tin. They're cute little plastic figures. And then you put them in ice water. Their colors change. They should change. They have been changing. There's Ariel. She can go in too. She's got dark purple now. Her yellow changed to pink. And Ariel doesn't want to come out. Has changed to blue. They're pretty cute. This is not the tin that they came in, but my littlest one uses this as her princess bed for these. But they're a lot of fun, and they're really portable and great for all ages. My kids like to put them in hot water and cold water.